Alright, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro, and more specifically, the big camera upgrades I'm hoping Apple brings to the table this year. Tech fans, you know the drill. Every September, Apple shows up with a new iPhone, and every September I'm crossing my fingers for some real camera innovation. So here's my wish list for the iPhone 17 Pro camera, and why I think it's time Apple took things to the next level. First up, a bigger sensor. Sensor size is everything when it comes to image quality. The competition is already rocking huge sensors. Just look at the latest Android flagships. If Apple wants to stay ahead, I'd love to see them go all in on a 1-inch sensor. That means sharper photos, better low light, and more natural background blur. No software tricks needed. Next, periscope zoom. The days of puny 3x or 5x zoom are over. Samsung and others are out here with 10x optical zoom, and honestly, it's a game changer. I want to see Apple nail that long-range detail without the muddy digital crop. Imagine finally capturing that concert shot or city skyline without losing clarity. Now let's talk about video. Apple's already a leader, but I want to see true ProRes 8K video, and here's the kicker: no storage limits. Pair that with 4K 120 FPS for smooth slow motion, and you've got a creator's dream machine in your pocket. And finally, let's get wild variable aperture. Give me hardware control over depth of field. Let me actually play with light creatively, just like on a real camera. That would be a huge leap, not just an incremental update. So, Apple, if you're listening, these are the camera upgrades tech fans like me actually want. Will we get them this year? Guess we'll have to wait and see. But one thing's for sure, I'll be here to test it all when it drops. Catch you in the next one.